Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an invitation card in Microsoft Word. Want to design a beautiful invitation card in Microsoft Word? I'll show you how to create a stylish card using templates and custom designs. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Microsoft Word. As you can see, I already opened Microsoft Word. The second step is to go to Layout, the Layout section right here, and click on Size. And here you're gonna choose A5 or a custom size for card. I'm gonna choose this A5 for example. And then I'm gonna set margins to narrow for better spacing. Let's set the margins right here. Let's look for the option to set the margins to narrow. This is the one. And click on here. And that's it. The second step is to use a template. And to do that, just go to File and then click on New and then search for invitation card. Invitation card. And then after the results display, select a template and customize the text and add your details. For example, I'm gonna download this one. The internet is a bit slow. The third step is to design a custom card, and to do that, just as you can see, this is the card I found, the invitation for celebration card. I'm gonna go to the next step, which is to design a custom card. Just insert, go to insert, and then click on the text box right here, and then type your invitation message, and after that go to insert again, and insert a picture or shapes to add decoration, and also use different fonts, colors and alignments for a stylish look. The fourth and final step is to save and print your card. Just save the document as a PDF for high quality printing and print on cardstock paper for a professional finish. You can use word art or borders to make your card look creative, and try golden or pastel colors for premium design. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you create an invitation card in Word. Use templates for quick results or custom designs for a unique look. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.